everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the seat from the 5th to 9th of December 2022 on Monday. Sakile hears that Zitulele is out on bail and calls an assassin to murder Khanyo so that Mzwandile can feel the pain of losing a loved one himself. Mazulu arranges to meet with Maharaj to negotiate getting the video back, but Maharaj laces her tea with a drug that makes her pass out on Tuesday. Nerupa forces Zageti to call a board meeting in the wake of the fracking plant fire, where Maharaj plays his hand and corners her into resigning. Finally, Mazulu has no memory of Maharaj striking her on Wednesday. Ngcolosi reels from discovering Zimele is alive. Sibongile's family come to take Sibongile away. Zitulele objects, but Ngcolosi is pleased to have Sibongile out the way as she gets closer to Zitulele to prepare for his trial. Sibongile is bored with her life and decides to try make someone famous on Thursday. The family reels as they face the man they thought dead. Mzwandile tells Khanyo that he suspects Sakile and he has a plan to get Sakile off their backs on Friday. Ngcolosi informed the family that he is back to restore his family with his biological children and company. Zagiti is still reeling from being demoted and is further humiliated by Shriya and Maharaj, and now this. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.